Use free running to escape from a fight when exposed. Sprint to lose your enemies, and jump through merchant stands to avoid the crowd.
Die, thief! Have your hand for that! Die, thief!
What have I done wrong? Help me, please!
Die, thief!
Anyone help me!
ردوها علي! Your life ends now! Heretic! You can't die! Infidel! Move now! So we are! How is that possible? We know it to run! I will hurt you!
You two came along when you did. Another minute and they would have made off with me.
Who's done this? Tell me! Ben! Infidel! You will not get away from me! What happened? Where did he come from? Won't get away from me! Get out of my way! I will catch you! Stop running! You cannot escape! Keep up with me! Don't let him get away! I know this city well. I will find you! Give up! You know it!
As Tamir drove his caravan north, he came across the Saracen leader and his starving men. Most fortunate for them both, each having something the other wanted. None know the man better than I. Come close. Hear the tale I have to tell of a merchant prince without peer. None know the man better than I. Come close. Hear the tale I have to tell of a merchant prince without peer. Was just before Hattin. The Saracens were low on food and in desperate need of resupply. But there was no relief in sight. Tamir drove a caravan in those days between Damas and Jerusalem. But recent business had been poor. It seemed there were none in Jerusalem who wanted what he had. Fruits and vegetables from nearby farms. Tamir drove a caravan in those days between Damas and Jerusalem. But recent business had been poor. It seemed there were none in Jerusalem who wanted what he had, fruits and vegetables from nearby farms. And so Tamir left, riding north and wondering what would become of his supplies. For soon, they would surely spoil. That should have been the end of this tale and the poor man's life. But fate intended otherwise. As Tamir drove his caravan north, he came across the Saracen leader and his starving men. Most fortunate for them both, each having something the other wanted. None know the man better than I. Come close. Hear the tale I have to tell of a merchant prince without fear. Some say, were it not for Tamir, Salah ad-Din's men would have surely turned on him. Could be we won the battle because of that man. Don't you think you're a little close?
You seem to know quite a bit about Tamir. Tell me what he's planning.
I know only the stories I tell, nothing more.
A pity. There's no reason to let you live if you've nothing to offer in return.
Wait! There is one thing.
Continue.
He is preoccupied as of late. He oversees the production of many weapons.
What of it? They're meant for Salah ad-Din. This does not help me, which means it does not help you.
No, stop, listen! Not Salah ad-Din. They're for someone else. The crests these arms bear, they are different, unfamiliar. It seems Tamir supports another, but I know not who.
Is that all?
Yes. I've told you everything I know.
Then it's time for you to rest.
Won't anyone help me? You came along when you did. Another minute and they would have made off with me.
I am at your service.
watching, waiting. He tempts us always. Be strong, strong like Salahadin, and take up arms against our enemies in whatever way you can. The fires of war consume the land, and thousands of lives are lost in its defense. It seems a tragedy, but I say this is an honor. To die in service to God. Before you to deliver a warning, should Richard take Joppa, there will be no stopping. We will march on Jerusalem. We must end this before it has a chance to begin. That city is ours, has always been ours.
He seems to be in a hurry.
He shouldn't be running.
Someone
like
tell
that.
me why he's doing that.
Is there a reason for him to do that? How odd.
Why is he doing it?
Why is he doing that?
Why would anyone do that?
Odd.
Is there a reason for this nonsense?
Why would he do that?
Safety and peace, Altair. I trust you're looking for information to aid you in your strike against Tamir. I fear I've nothing to offer. But Bahir might. He shouldn't be too far from here.
Praise be Salahadin! He has found the strength.
So they've sent you, eh? An interesting choice, though not my place to judge. The Rafik has asked me to observe the souk that Tamir calls home. Here's what I have learned. There's a group of troublemakers who gather around its southeastern exit. They and the guards do not get along. Find a way to earn their friendship, and they'll surely be of service to you.
Salahadin rides to meet him, that these barbarous acts might be avenged. Pray that God, glorious and exalted is he, finds favor with us, that he may grant us victory. For him,
Did you see that? When will he stop acting like a fool? Why is he doing that? Someone tell me why he's doing that.
Let go of me! I've done nothing wrong!
die, thief!
Let go of me! I've done nothing wrong!
You dare steal in my presence? That will cost you your life! Infidel die!
Praise God, you've saved me. All the city will know of your sacrifice.
God curse the one who's done this! Where are you? What happened to this poor soul? God Almighty. All right, where are you? So we murdered him. Show yourself! Where is the one responsible for this? You are filth!
I've done wrong. Help me, please. Won't anyone help me?
You'll find everything. You are filth! Thief! You are filth! Where are you? I know you're here somewhere! You won't find battle prices anywhere! Who did this?
king and his infidel army. They leave horrors in their wake. Saladin rides to meet him, that these barbarous acts might be avenged. Pray that he may grant us victory. Be wary. He should stop acting like a child.
Altair! I need your help. I took something from one of Tamir's men, and now they're after me. Please, see me to safety, and I'll share it with you.
That's what happens when you run without looking.
Infidel! You will die here! Over here!
Come, people. Come see what I have to offer. My good people, your search has come to an end. I've decided to anything anyone could possibly need. Come, come.
We are safe now. I can manage on my own from here. Take this. Hopefully it will aid you in your mission. Seems to be an invitation of sorts.
My good people, your search has come to an end. I've anything anyone could possibly need.
That will cost you your life!
You're hurting me!
Your life is used to die. You cannot escape!
Thank you. Thank you. I'll find a way to repay this kindness, I swear it.
The fires of war need something? Someone tell me why he's doing that. Are lost in its defense. It seems a tragedy, but I say this is an honor to die in service to God, fighting for what we believe in. There is no greater glory than this. Curse him! Curse the Christian king and his army of infidels! They go against the will of God and must be made to pay! Everywhere they ride, they leave only suffering in their wake. They say it is a crusade. A crusade for what? Ignorance? Violence? Madness? We must resist! We must fight them in any way we can! Richard takes Jaffa. There will be no stopping him. He will march on Jerusalem next. We must end this before it
Something needs to be done. It's only a matter of time before someone else discovers it.
Tell him then, it's in his best interest to keep the souk secure.
He won't meet with me. Too busy with this new deal of his.
And the guards?
Tried already. They won't lift a finger unless the order comes from him.
Then what will you do?
I'll go to Albunukut.
The merchant king? He won't see you.
He doesn't have to. I've written him a letter that explains the problem. He can read it and decide for himself.
That will cost you your life! Have your head! I'll see while you still
Thank you. Thank you. I'll find a way to repay this kindness, I swear.
What happened here?
Now what?
That was not very nice.
Want the bargain? I'm your man! Come,
You won't be disappointed.
You like
Do you understand?
Yes. I am to deliver the letter to your merchant friend.
And you know who to see?
The same man as always.
Do not think to betray my presence in this city. We have many eyes, many ears.
And many arms, yes. Good for silencing those who say too much. I know this well. You have my word.
Good. Then be quick about it. Time is short.
What is it? There's something to say. Do I look like a merchant? No. So go away.
I've got what you need. I'm sure of it.
I have many things, too many things. You need something?
You seem to know exactly what you want. I like that in a customer.
You've no reason to be out here, old man. You won't be disappointed. Down, infidel!
Is that the last of them? I hope so. Still, best not to take any chances. I'll hurry home. Don't think I'll leave it again anytime soon, either. You've done me a kindness, young man. Be assured, I won't forget it.
Who would do such an awful thing?
Come see what I have to offer. Everything's new. Everything's perfectly priced. Where's in all the land?
You won't curse the Christian king and his army of infidels.
Come on. Touch your eyes.
They go against the will of God. At your service. Must be made to pay.
I'll have your hand for that.
What have I done wrong?
For today only, I've decided to reduce prices on everything. Come, come. Welcome. I have everything you'll ever need. My good people, your search has come to an end. I've anything anyone could possibly need. I have exactly what you need.
Ohra Ben Wazir.
Infidel die!
Die here!
Thank you. Thank you. I'll find a way to repay this kindness, I swear it.
I am at your service. Where are you? I know you're here somewhere. Come, people. Come see what I have to offer.
If you value your life,
Be more careful.
you won't do that again.
I have exactly what you need.
I'm telling you, it's rats.
No, it's children. I hear them laughing.
Rats or children. Either way, it's bad for business. All that noise!
Someone needs to get up on those beams and clear them out.
I wonder how they're getting up there.
Must be through the central courtyard.
Then we should ask the guard to have a look.
Ah, they're all much too busy polishing the backside of their master.
What is it?
He seems to be in a rush. Thief! You are filth!
What is that around
He's going to cause trouble.
Interest you in this one?
You've no reason to stand here. He should stop acting like a child.
I'll have your hand for that!
Die here!
Praise God, you've saved me. All the city will know of your sacrifice.
Why would you do that? Could I interest you in this one? No? Well, there's more. I have many things. Many things. Too many things.
Exactly what you need. Could I interest you in some of my wares?
I have many things. Many things. Too many things. No? Well, there's more. Much more. I have many things.
Why, damn fool must be out of his mind.
Finest wares in all the land.
I am at your strength to stand in defense of our great civilization. Make no mistake, it is our very existence we are fighting for.
Come, people. Come see what I have to offer.
He's going to hurt someone.
Could I interest you in some of my wares?
Geber! Kime boyun eğmek istiyorsun? Gel buraya!
That will call
Geber!
for your skin.
Gel buraya!
Shit! He's too strong. Another day. What the fuck? Hold on, nigga!
This is hopeless. I'll never find them here.
Should Richard take Jaffa, there will be no stopping him. He will march on Jerusalem next. We must end this before it ever...
Now, why is he doing that? Your presence annoys me.
got him in such a hold-up?
He looks like he's being chased by someone. What's got him in such a hurry?
He has found the strength to stand in defense of our great civilization. Make no mistake, it is our very existence we are fighting for. The infidel king would see us all wiped from the world. The fires of war consume the land.
Has he lost his mind?
Thousands of lives are lost in its
Tired of never finding anything useful at the other merchant stalls? That won't happen here. Why is he doing that?
See anything you like? Is there a reason for him to do that?
You ever see someone do that before? I have.
You seem to know exactly what to...
Welcome. I have everything you'll ever need.
Take your time. When moving slowly, you reduce your chance.
He seems to be in a hurry.
You're asking for trouble!
What's talking so much?
These barbarous acts might be avenged. Pray that God, glorious and exalted is He. Be wary, friend.
I've got what you
The
need!
Shaitan is
You'll
everywhere.
find everything
Watching,
here, my friend.
waiting. He tempts us always.
Listen here, citizen!
Tired of never finding anything useful at the other merchant?
Now comes the English king and his infidel army. They leave horrors in their wake. Saladin arrives. Curse him! Curse the Christian king and his army of infidels!
How much longer?
You'll not find better items anywhere else.
Could I interest you in this? No?
He should stop acting like a child. Should Richard take Jaffa, there will be no stopping him.
No reason to stand here.
You can apologize for
We
that.
must end this before it has a chance.
I knew he'd hit something. Come, people. Come see what I have to offer. Come, people. Come see what I have to offer.
Over here! Kill him!
Your life is give up!
No! What happened? What happened?
Oh dear. What is he doing? I don't understand what he's trying to accomplish. What's wrong with him?
How odd.
I don't understand what he's trying to accomplish.
Now, why is he doing that? Come, people! Come see what I've to offer!
Why would anyone do this? I have everything you'll ever need. Come on, come.
He has found the strength to stand in defense of our great civilization. Make no mistake, he is our very
Ah, you come to the right place. There's no better merchant than I.
would see us all wiped from the world.
Why is he running
What's
around?
got him in such a hurry?
Go away. What's got into him?
He shouldn't be running
What's
like
he
that.
doing? I wonder where he's off to.
Be wary, friends. The Shaitan is everywhere. Watching, waiting. He tempts us always. Be strong, strong like Salahadin, and take up arms against our enemies in whatever way you can. The fires of war consume
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!
He's going to hurt himself. And when he does, I won't help him. But I say, this is an honor.
Die, thief! Tired of never finding anything
thief,
useful at
I'll
the
have your
merchant
hand for
store.
that.
That won't happen here.
Please, you're hurting
Good
me.
day, my friend. If there's anything I can help you with, anything at all,
Won't
do
anyone
not
help me?
die, thief! Now,
That
why
hurt.
is he doing that?
Stop it, please.
Go away!
Pay
for your sins!
Good you came along when you did. Another minute and they would have made off with me. I owe you. Please have some mercy.
What? Who's done this? Tell me! Make no mistake, it is our very existence we are fighting for.
Guard, show
The
yourself!
infidel
That man
king
is a
would see
murderer!
us all wiped from the world. Tempt us from... Always, be strong, strong like Salahadin, and take up arms against our enemies in whatever way you can.
Has he lost his mind?
The fires of war consume the land, and thousands of lives are lost in its defense. It seems a tragedy, but I say this is an honor to die in service to God, fighting for what we believe in. There is no greater glory than this.
I wonder what scared him.
Altair, welcome, welcome.
I've done what you asked. Now give me the marker.
First things first. Tell me what you know.
Tamir rules over the Souk El Salah. He makes his fortune selling arms and armor and is supported by many in this endeavor. Blacksmiths, traders, financiers. He's the largest death dealer in the land.
And have you devised a way to rid us of this blight?
A meeting is being arranged at Souk El Salah to discuss an important sale. They say it's the largest deal Tamir has ever made. He'll be distracted with his work. That's when I'll strike.
Your plan seems solid enough. I give you leave to go. Let Al-Mualim's will be done. You may rest here until you're ready.
Fast-forwarding memory to a more recent one.